Hey, what's up guys? I bought a new film camera. I bought a new film camera off eBay for 25 euro. It was a Canon AFJ. It's a point and shoot camera, and yeah, I just wanted to try something new. Not that I don't own already a point and shoot because I have the T5, the Yashica T5 already. But yeah, I just wanted to try it out and how it is for a beginner when you're starting to get into film photography. To have the feeling again to go on eBay, search up a camera and have the thrill if it works or not. And yeah, this is what I'm trying to do in this video. I decided to shoot Kodak Color Plus 200 because it's a nice color film and I haven't shot it in a while. So I just wanted to try it out, and yeah. And I have to say, obviously the quality is less better than when you're shooting with the SLR or even the medium format camera. A point and shoot can only bring you a certain quality to the pictures, but the handling and everything was quite good. I quite liked it. It came with a strap which you can hang around your neck and everything. But yeah, I mean, overall I would say for 25 euros, if you're a film photography beginner, it's a good choice. To be honest, I'm not quite satisfied with the pictures. Most of them are out of focus, and I think the camera did not perform that well. It can be my fault, it can be the camera's fault. I'm not quite sure what it is. Maybe the autofocus is broken or I just messed it up, which is also very much possible. And yeah, but some of them turned out, especially the one with the Mercedes and the kind of like the shadow selfie I took. I quite like this one as well, which I showed in the beginning. But overall, I have to say I'm not that happy with the results, but stuff like this happens, especially in film photography. And yeah. When you're a film photography beginner, it's a good camera. You can just get to use how to shoot film and everything. But for me personally, I think I will pass it on and sell it, or might give it to my girlfriend or so, because I don't think that I will continue use the camera in the future, but that's okay. The question of the video is, what was your first film camera? Tell me about it in the comments, and yeah, thank you for watching.